ExitLag promo code. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you different promo codes that you could use for your ExitLag so that when you're subscribing or paying for any of their subscription, you get a discount. So there are many platforms out there that actually have or post different ExitLag discount codes such as coupon board over here. So as of now, January 2025, so it's updated. You have all of these different coupon codes that you have available over here. So as you can see, so it's a large list. So simply open any of these options and then you will be able to get a coupon code. And where do you use it? How do you use it? It's very simple. Go to your ExitLab over here. Look over here below your My Account. Click on prepaid codes. And this is where you will be able to copy and paste your codes to activate them. So simply put or pick your preferred codes over here in Coupon Birds and you will then be able to utilize them for your purchases. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.